Hi all, tonight we're going to do tarragon chicken, creamy sauce, asparagus and new potatoes. Let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. You obviously realise that a little bit injured, bit of a gardening accident, so I'm relying on the film crew to help me out with the heavy lifting.
Hi.
Say hello, film crew.
Hi, film crew.
Film crew, aka wife and daughter. So let's move on. So in terms of ingredients, fairly straightforward, low prep, low cooking time, low calorie. So we're going with chicken breast. Just bear in mind when you're cooking the chicken breast, although I'll say 5 minutes either side and so on, if they're larger or smaller they'll take a little bit more time, so take account of that when you're cooking. Asparagus, creme fraiche, onion, garlic, new potatoes. Unfortunately we couldn't get fresh tarragon, so we're going to try the dried version. Black pepper and of course salt. So a very easy recipe, great for the family, low calorie. Let's get on with the preparation. Okay, so what we're going to do now is just seal the chicken breast. A little bit of black pepper into the pan, a few minutes, turn it over, and in the meantime the team will chop the onion, crush the garlic. See you in a minute. Okay, so there may be alternatives. We're using asparagus. You might want to use green beans, which is absolutely fine. You might want to use leeks. But if you do use leeks, make sure that you cook them when we introduce the onions and the garlic. Again, equally good. I mean, you can play around with the recipe as much as you like. But okay, the chicken breast's been going for about 5, 6, 7 minutes. Bear in mind, like I said earlier, bigger the chicken breast, the longer it will take. So we're going to turn these over now. And what we're going to do is we're going to add the onion and the garlic to that. It's not easy this one, man. Obviously as we're cooking, the liquid will come out of the onion. Close enough, and let the TV chefs get away with it. Why can't I? A little bit of garlic in there, mix it up a bit, and just let them settle down before we put some stock in there. Okay, so we've been cooking the breast for about 7 minutes. And remember I said we'd do 350 mils of stock. We're not going to pour it all in because just in case the sauce is too loose. So we're going to put about 300 mil in, just around there. Leave, where are we? Let's go for 250 mil, leave 100 mil in there. Warm up, and like I said, because we haven't got fresh tarragon, we've got a tablespoon of dry tarragon, and we're just going to sprinkle a bit of that in there and let it settle down around the chicken. Okay, save a little bit because we can add a little bit of garnish at the end when it's all done. Okay guys, just a recap then. So we've added the stock. Now what we're going to do, we've reduced that a little bit with the lid on for probably, I don't know, 10 minutes maybe. So now what we're going to do is add the asparagus, and then once that's settled down a little bit, we're going to add the creme fraiche. Again, we're just going to put the lid on for a couple of minutes just to help that asparagus steam through. Okay, we'll let that steam for a couple of minutes. Now we're going to add the creme fraiche and mix that all in. So the sauce might look quite loose at the moment, but don't worry about that. That'll thicken up as we go. And if it doesn't, we just won't use much of it, but that's looking pretty good. So we're going to leave that a couple of minutes just to work its way through. Probably a good time to put on the plates to warm. We're nearly ready to dish up. Okay, so job done. All we've got to do now is dish up. Okay guys, try the recipe. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. If you want to add any tweaks or anything, let us know, because we can always apply them in the future. 10 minutes preparation, 20 minutes cooking time. It's in the book. If you like what you've seen, thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.